Welcome, today we're going to show you how to play against bots in Battlefield 6. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the game as seen from here, and then scroll down until you see the community option as seen from here. After that, you need to click on it, and now from the community options, you need to click on experiences, and you need to choose most popular in the sort option as seen from here. After that, you can try to scroll down a bit till you find this option as seen from here. So the option is bots. I'll see from here, you can just click on it, and after that I'll see from here you can just write this map code to play this map, or you can just find it the way I did. After that you need to click on host. So from here you can change all of these settings. I'll see from here the server name, server description, a lot of things, server settings, number of bots, a lot of things. After you choose the settings that you like, you can click on host locally. So that's how you host a map locally with only bots. You can also add some players for this map. So that's how you play against bots in Battlefield 6. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.